Figuring commissions. Some employees work on a commission basis. Commission is a fee paid for performing a service. Generally, commission is a certain percent of the money received from a sale. There are two types of commission. One, total commission. No wages are received unless something is sold. The second type is wages and commission. A guaranteed wage is offered plus a commission on what is sold. Let's look at an example of total commission. The real estate agent receives 6% commission on a house she sold. The house sold for $98,500. What was her commission? If we look at this problem, we have 6% commission on a $98,500 house. Again, underline the important parts of any problem you read. Looking at our percent circle, we have 6%. Our house is the total amount, $98,500. As you begin to do many commission problems, you will realize that if you're trying to find commission, commission is always the part. And you can multiply 6% times the $98,500. I'm going to go to the calculator and do $98,500 times 6% gives us a commission of $5,910. You have to realize that sometimes not all commissions are given to one real estate agent. Sometimes they have to split it with the person who listed the house and the person who sold the house. But in this case, our real estate agent gets it all, $5,910. Let's try an example with wage and commission. Bill works in a furniture store and makes $8 an hour, plus he earns 1% commission on everything he sells. He worked 8 hours and sold $3,250 of furniture. What was Bill's pay for that day? If we look at the board, we've highlighted the important parts of this problem. Bill made $8 an hour. He also makes 1% commission. He worked 8 hours that day, and he sold $3,250 worth of furniture. Since this is a wage plus commission, we need to find both. To find the wage, we know that Bill makes $8 an hour. He worked 8 hours. So we need to multiply 8 times 8 to get $64 for his regular wage. We've used these two pieces of information. Let's find his commission. He makes 1% commission on everything he sells, and he sold $3,250 worth of furniture. We can use our percent circle, knowing we have the percent and we have the total. We're looking for the part. Remember, commission is always part. So we have to multiply the percent times the total. Our percent is 1%. Our total is $3,250. Remember that if you're using a calculator without a percent button, you need to use 0.01. Let's go to the calculator and multiply $3,250 times 1% equals $32.50 in commission. So Bill makes $64 in regular wages, $32.50 in commission. We are going to add these two together to get his total pay for that day. The $32.50 is already there on the calculator. We can add 64 more to get a total of $96.50. If you notice on the calculator, it says 96.5. But remember, we're talking about money, so we must put our placeholder 0 in to get $96.50.
In the book, the title of the page is Figuring Commissions. But there's something very similar to figuring commissions, and that is profit sharing. And in our company, Reliable EDM, we give profit sharing to our workers. And I asked my son Phil to explain what profit sharing means.
Profit sharing is something we do in our company to encourage productivity. What that means is after the month is over, whatever profits there are, the employee gets a certain percentage of the profits. Now, what we expect of our employee is to provide quality work in a timely manner, which allows the customer to keep his prices real low. And then we have a happy customer. If the customer is happy, we have more business, therefore we have more profits. Pleasing the customer is the secret to running a successful business.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.